Hello students, welcome to Praisho Edu. Online class subject intelligent test, and in this video we will cover the number series exercise 1.2 which is available in our Navneet digest. So please open the page number 108 of Navneet digest book. So please listen carefully how the answers we are find outing for each examples. Okay, so please open the page number 108. So question number 1, I'm reading the question number 1. In the above number series, how many times is 3 followed by 8 and 3 followed by 5? This is the number series we have given. Okay. So there is one sentence that 3 followed by 8. 3 followed by 8. Okay. And 3 follows 5. 3 follows 5. Okay, follows 5 means like this one. Okay, always be remember followed by. If anything followed by like this one, please remember one trick. Left hand is followed by right hand, means like this one, left hand and right side. So in left side, the number followed by and the number to whom the number is followed, like this one. So 3 is followed by 8. Okay, like this one. So left side 3 and the right side 8 is there. Okay, and 3 is follows 5. In this case, the so R can means right side the 3 will comes because it's follows, and the 5 will comes at the left. So the 5 and then 3, and after 3 the 8 will comes, like this one. So this is a group forms. Sometimes instead of the follows, preceded will mention follows and the preceded. Okay, and followed by, if that is a followed by, this trick you can remember, so that many examples are there, somewhat be tricky, so that you should not be get confused to understand that one. Otherwise what will happen, instead of the 38 you will consider the 83, like this one. So it will missing our completely solution. So don't make any mistakes. So left hand and right hand, so followed by, like a same thing you make this number or any alphabet or anything what we are given in later or something. So this is the 3 in the left of our left hand, and this is the 8 means which is followed by the 8 is the here in our example. So whatever the alphabet or letter, that will comes at the right hand, means like this one 8. So this number of the group, or we can see in another example that grouping comes of the alphabet or letters. So here the 38. In another condition, the 3 follows 5 for 3 follows 5 mentioned, so like this one. So 53 comes, but before the 3 5 will comes. So 5 3 8, this is a group form of. So please understand this condition. Okay, so in this series we have to find out the 5 3 and 8. So 5 8 3 is here. Okay, so which is not our condition, we require the 5 3 8. Then 5 3 8, this is our grouping of the numbers is required. So this is a one times we got it. Then again continuously 538 comes, this is the second time, and again 538 comes, 538 comes. Okay, so how many times? The 3 times. So in our option, if you see the option number 3 means 3 is mentioned, so we got the 3 times. This is the condition in our number series. Okay, question number 2, how many square numbers are there in the above number series? Now this is a number series we have given in our question. We have to find out the number square numbers. Square numbers means what? We know 1 to 10 numbers, and their square numbers 1 to 100. Okay, possibly many students know, but for the just summarizely and revision purpose, I just tell you every number has their squares, and that square numbers we call as a square numbers series. Okay, now 64, we know the 64 is a square of the 8 square. Okay, then 15 is not a square of any number, means a natural number we can say. Then 75, not any numbers of square numbers. Then 36, yes, 36 is a 6 square. Then 19 is not. 25 is there, 25 is a 5 square. Okay, 86 not, 81 is there, yes, 9 square. And then 100 we know the 10 square. Okay, we know that square means what? Before that one, I just summarizedly tell you that square means any number self multiply by with that number one time, means 10 multiplied by 10, or any number with multiply by that self number, then the product or multiplication whatever we got, that is called the square of that particular number. Okay, now 10 multiplied by 10, 100. Now this 100 is a square number of natural number 10. Okay, like this one. Instead of the 10, you can take the another example like a 5. 5 multiplied by 5, it will come the 25. And or you can say 5 square means instead of the multiply by 5 writing like this way, you can writing like this way, means the 2 at the top of this head but in the right side just. So this is another method to write down. Okay, this is the way of the writing to note that this is a square. Okay, 2 times means this number multiple 2 times with a self, means 5 multiplied by 2, sorry, 5 multiplied by 5, like this one. Okay, so that is called a square. Now 5 square 25, like this one. 6 square, what is this one? 36. Like this one, 9 square 81. Okay, so comes to our question, what we have asked in question, how many square numbers? Now if we count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there are the 5 numbers, and that is mentioned in our option number 2, 5. Okay, so the option number 2 for the question number 2 is the correct one. Now let's move to the question number 3. Which of the numbers below is divisible by 5 as well as 8? 5 and 8. Divisible. This is very, very important. Divisible. I will make another separate video on a divisibility test. Divisibility test. I am saying test means whether any number digit 3 or 4 or any number of the digit, if we have to means consider or we have to test whether that number can be divisible by 3 or something or 5 or 8, anything. How could we know without actual making the division? Okay, so there is a rule, so that is called a divisibility test, means we can make a testing of that one, like something rule is there on a tricking from 2 to 11. Now in your syllabus 2 to 11 are there, so in academic syllabus, so 2 to 11 there is a one divisibility test, so we will make with separate video for this one and I will share that one. But now in this condition, just concentrate. We know the 5 can be divisible to any number whichever have the 0 at the unit place. Now here the 100, just take the example 100 here. Now at the unit place 0 is there, or we can say at the unit there is a 5, suppose 105 is there. Now here 5 or 0 at the unit place, whether that number is 2 digit number, 3 digit number or any digit number, okay, that number can be divisible completely by 5. We know this one. Okay, like this one 8 also there. Now for the 8 divisible test, if any number have, okay, suppose there is a 4 digit number, I'm not writing here any digit, just places dash, we just consider something 4 digit number. Now here the 3 digits last means unit, tens and hundreds, and then thousand, or it may be more than that one also. Just consider the last 3 digits. If these 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the complete number can be divisible by 8. This is the rule. Okay, so as in our series there are not mentioned more than the 2 digit. Now in this one we have to concentrate on all the means both the digits. I'm just giving this for your information. Separately in our another video I will explain from the 2 to 11. Okay, for just your information. Now in our number series there is a, okay, now in our question 130 is mentioned at the option number 1, then option number 2 is the 260, and then option number 3 is a 480, and option number 4 is a 380. Now 0 having at their unit place. Okay, means all can be divisible by 5. Okay, that can be. Now we have to check for the 8. Now 13 and then 0 now come from the left side. Okay, because we are starting division by the from the left side. Now can 13 divisible by 8? No. And after 13 means if we divide by 130 to the 8, okay, now here 1 means 13. Okay, 13 minus 8 there is a 5, and then 5 0 means 50 is there, but 50 cannot be divided by the 8, means this number cannot be divisible by 8. Another way also, now 8 multiplied by 2, we know the 16. Okay, and 16 10 times the 160. Now 160 minus 130 means 30 is there. Now 30 cannot be divisible by 8, we know, because 32 can be divisible by 8, means in this case 30 130 also cannot be divisible by 8. This is also another way. Or we can say in another sense, we know the 80 is there. Okay, then 80 plus 8 and plus 8, if we make the one small table, we could not be get 130 in that one also. That is also another case or another way of the finding. Okay, now 130 is not in multiples of the 8, we know, as we, if we know 80 then 88 or then 96 and then 104 and then 112 and then 120 and 128, like this one. 130 is not comes in our 8 multiplies, so this number cannot. Then 26 and then 0 means 260. For division comes from the left side, 26 cannot be divisible by 8. Okay, if we divide by the 26 by 8, there is a remainder 2 is there, and with the 0 20 comes, but 20 cannot be in a multiple of that, means this number cannot be divisible by the 8. Now 480 means 480. Yes, 48 comes in a 8 table, means here the 6 and the 0 as it is, means can be divisible. 38, this 38 cannot be, because 32 is a multiple of the 8, means in a table of the 8. But after the 30 directly 40 comes, means if there are 400 is there, it can be divisible, but 380 cannot be, so this is cannot, means our only one option 480, this can be divisible by 8, and all are the divisible by the 5. Now 8 can be divisible to the only 480, so this option is a correct one. Now question number 4, we have given one number series in a question and asking us how many twin numbers are there in the above number series. Now twin number, what is exactly the twin number? Twin number means any two prime numbers. Okay, or we can say the difference of any two prime numbers. Difference of any two prime numbers is 2. Okay, means example is that one. Now we know that 2 3 5 7 11 then 13 then 17 then 19 and so on. These are the prime numbers we know. Now the difference between the two prime number 2 and 3, here the difference is only the 1. 3 minus 2 1. Now 5 minus 3 2. Yes, now here the 2, so these are the twin prime numbers. Now here 5 minus 7 2, so this can be also twin prime number. Now 5 minus 7, no, here the 4 comes, the difference between the 11 and the 7 comes the 4, so this is not a prime number. Now 13 minus 11 2 comes, yes, so 13 and 11 is the twin prime number. After this one 17 and 13, difference is the 4, so this cannot be prime number, sorry, twin prime number. Later on 19 and 17, yes, here the difference 2, so this can be like this one, means any two prime numbers having the difference only the 2, that is called the twin prime numbers. Twin. Okay, the number twin, the meaning of the twin is the 2. Okay, so that in that case in a such a way you just remember that twin and then prime number means the prime number have the difference 2, that called the twin prime number. Okay, now 27 and 47 41, no, 27 is not a prime number, 41 is there, 43 is there, and if we see both are in a sequentially consequently comes with a number difference 2, so this can be twin number. Now after 43 63, but 63 is not a prime number. Okay, divisible by 3. Then 59, 59 can be 59 is a prime number and can be twin number with a 61, because 61 also and the difference is the 2, so this can be pair. 49 is not a prime number, then 51 not, 17 in a 3 or we can say 17's table 51 comes. Then 11 is a prime number and 13 also. So the 11 and the 13. So this is the another twin number. So 1, 2 and 3. These are the three. And in our option, 3 is mentioned in option number 4. So the option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 5. In this number series below, how many pairs have the numbers whose product is 24? Okay, I missed out here to mention. Just a minute, I wrote down 3, 6, 4, 8, 3, 9, 8, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, 0, 3. What is the question? How many pairs have the numbers whose product is 24? Product means multiplication. Now, we will start from the left side. Now, 3 multiplied by 6, whether comes 24? Now, this is the 18 comes. So, this is not our pair. What the pair we are searching? The pair means the two numbers in a sequentially adjacent numbers whose product is the 24. Okay, means multiplication is the 24. Now 6 4 the 24. Yes, this is the one. Then 4 8 the 4 8 the 32, which is not. Then 8 3 the 8 3 the is 24. Yes, comes. Then 3 multiplied by 9. No, this is 27. 9 8 the no. 72 no. 8 2 the 16 no. 8 2 4 the 8 comes. So this is not our, this is 4, this is not our pair. 4 6 are yes, 4 6 are 24, this is our pair. I just mark out like a number, like a dash. Then 6 ones are no, 1 thirds are no, then 3 eights are yes, this one. 8 fours are 32 no, 4 sevens are 28 no, then 7 fives are 35 no. So how many comes? So 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 pairs we found out. So 4 pair means 4 is mentioned in option number 2. So this option number is the correct for question number 5. Then question number 6. There are some timing mentioned. And in a question, what they are asking, various times of a day are shown. These are the times shown of a day. In the above series, how many times is the time before midday? Okay, the time before midday followed immediately by the time after midday, followed by, as like in previous example I told, followed by. Now something time followed by something time, but in this case now followed by means we continuously write down like a left and the right side. Now here in a left side what they are asking, the time before midday. Now here before, I just mentioned the before midday, md in a short form midday. And here after midday, after. Okay, now after midday, md is mentioned in a short form. So before midday and then followed by after midday, like in sequentially, like this one. Which are the groups are there, or we can say the pairs, we have to count this one. Okay, now here 9 and then 5 minutes. Okay, 9 o'clock and then 5, this is the morning, means before midday. And 12:10 means this is the after midday. Yes, this can be, and they are the sequentially comes, means followed by. Okay, so this comes, this is the right side means after midday, and this is the left side of us means before midday. Okay, just remember this one. So this pair can be. Now 12 and 18, this one also we have to consider in sequentially, but 12 is after midday and 18 also after midday, so cannot be. Now 18 already after midday, which is followed by the before midday, is which is cannot. Then 4 is a before midday, means morning, early morning we can say. And then 23 is a late evening or late night we can say, so this can be pair. Okay, then 23 is midday, after the midday, cannot be. And this is also midday after, cannot. Then this can be, and this can be. Yes, 10 is a before midday and 19 is a after midday. 19 means 7 o'clock and this 10 is morning 10, so this pair can be. Then 19 is a after midday, so this, in this pair cannot be. And if we consider this pair, 2 and 1 o'clock, both are the before midday, means in a early morning we can say, or in a midnight, after the midnight. Okay, but this cannot be. So 1 2 and 3 here. If we look out, this is the 24 hours time series. Okay, so don't miss out this. This is a am. How? Just judge on this 23. Okay, 19, then 13, then 18, and then 12. Some 12 is there, okay, but 18 on this one means this series on in a question what they are saying, various times of a day mentioned means this is a 1 day's time, okay, means whether these are the 13, 19, 23, and 18 are mentioned means these are the 24 hours clock time, okay. So this 1 o'clock is not pm, okay, there is no mention am or pm. In such a way, if there is a not mentioned correctly am or pm, then consider this is a 24 hours, okay. So in this example, three pairs we got it, and that is mentioned in the option number 3.